Hi, it's Dottie here. I'm thrilled to be able to talk to you a little bit about Chattahoochee Nature Center. You know, it's one of my favorite places in the world. Maybe that's because I went to work there just shortly after it opened its doors and stayed for 14 years. I'm very proud of it. It's always had a marvelous staff, and now it has built such a great reputation. It is a model for environmental education centers everywhere. But you know, in the early days, we never knew if it was going to be as successful as we hoped it would be. We didn't know from month to month if we would be able to meet payroll. In fact, we started the Possum Trot as one of our first fundraisers in order to meet payroll. You see, sometimes staff would actually flip coins to see who would get paid on payday and who could possibly wait another week or two. Those days are long behind us, but today is the day of COVID-19. And unfortunately, a lot of small businesses and nonprofits are struggling. We are here today to let you know that the Nature Center has been so fiscally responsible all throughout the years. In fact, 2/3 of its income comes from earned income. That's almost unheard of for a nonprofit organization, something of which we can all be proud. But right now, the financial stability is in question, simply because we don't know how long this is going to last. But even if it ends soon, we have missed out on a lot of that earned income. So I'm here today to ask you if you could possibly dig a little deeper, give whatever you can to help maintain the stability and the great programs at the Nature Center. If it's $1, $2, $5, $10, or more. Of course, if you can give $1,000, $5,000, or $10,000, that's great too. We would appreciate absolutely any amount you can contribute. Thank you so much for your support of Chattahoochee Nature Center, and thank you for being a nature lover.